Unlock the secrets to your Facebook ad success by pinpointing your Shopify store's hidden gem, your Facebook pixel. Let's get straight to it. First, log into your Shopify admin panel. Once you're in, navigate to the Online Store section in the left-hand menu. Within Online Store, click on Preferences. This is where you'll find all the essential settings for your store's appearance and functionality, including our target. Scroll down on the Preferences page. You're looking for the Facebook Pixel section. You should see a field labeled Facebook Pixel ID. This is it. The numerical string displayed here is your unique Facebook Pixel ID. If it's populated, your pixel is connected. To verify its health, you can also use the Facebook Pixel Helper browser extension. If your pixel is firing correctly, the extension will show a green indicator and your pixel ID. This confirmation means you're all set to track valuable customer actions on your store, from page views to purchases. Knowing your pixel ID is crucial for measuring campaign performance and building incredibly precise custom audiences for your Facebook ads. So, take a moment to locate and confirm your Facebook Pixel ID within your Shopify preferences. This simple step is your gateway to maximizing your Facebook advertising ROI and reaching your ideal customers more effectively than ever before.